Hi there, my name is EAC594 and today I'll be making a progress report presentation for the water conservation at Seneca College, report approved by Brendan Robert and Seneca College of Applied Arts and Technology. So starting off, we're going to start off by our content of our project. We're going to start off by project overview, just to look over some facts about our projects, and then go into the plans and results. And then we move forward to the process, which is the current situation of the project, and then next steps, which will be featuring like the future steps that needs to be taken to finish this project. So starting off, we're going to start about the topic. The Water Conservation Initiative uses effective water management methods to overcome water shortages. The study will assess the state of water supply today and provide the overview of opportunities and difficulties related to water conservation. So for the priority for Seneca College for this project, Seneca's water conservation initiatives attempts to pinpoint areas for conservation efforts, provide solution and offer implementation strategies to cut back on water usage expenses and environment impact on campus. So for the project's overview, we've put together some main goals for the success of the project. Step 1, provide background, purpose, scope, and objective of water conservation project. Step 2, review the global water crisis, current state of water, conservation efforts, and challenges and opportunities. Step 3, describe data collection and analyze methods and any limitations and assumptions. Step 4, assess current water use patterns at Seneca College, identify areas for conservation efforts, evaluate methods, and identify best practices. Step 5, propose water conservation measures for Seneca College, describe implementation strategies, estimation costs, and benefits. The expected results would be to show to the stakeholders that in assessing the likelihood of the project's success by summarizing the expected results and advantages of the suggested actions and giving a sense of what is expected of the outcome. The process, current outlook of the process. Currently, the project is complete for the section in relation to introduction and water conservation review sections. So those could be provide background information on water conservation, explain the purpose of the report, and outline the scope and objectives of this project. In this moment, the report is focused on the analysis and assessment sections, which will cover data collection and limitation, as well as assess Seneca College's water use pattern, identify areas for conservation, evaluate strategies, and suggest best practices. Some of those could be describe the method used to collect and analyze data, identified any limitation or assumption made in the project, and also for the assessment part, summarize the current water use patterns at Seneca College, evaluate various water conservation methods, identify best practices for water conservation, and then we'll move on to the next steps, which is what the future holds. The progress report's future work includes completing the suggestions and conclusion section, which will provide recommendation for water conservation strategies at Seneca College, and summarize the finding and suggest future initiative. Additionally, a reference section will be made. Finally, we've made great progress in conserving water at Seneca College by using low flow fixtures, raising awareness. We've cut water uses by 20% in the past year, but we need to keep working hard to reach our sustainability goals by working together. We can make sure that the water conservation remains a top priority at our college. Thank you for your attention.